Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Winnie's Creative Hub and I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm super excited to share this amazing scrapbook haul with you all. I recently got all these beautiful craft supplies during a 50% off sale and I couldn't wait to show you everything I picked up. I picked up some beautiful paper packs and ephemera and the quality looks amazing and I'm already excited to use them in my upcoming scrapbook projects. There were also some really beautiful flowers available, but unfortunately, the designs I wanted had already sold out before I could place my order. Hopefully, they will restock them soon. If you are into scrapbooking, journaling, card making, or DIY crafts, this sale is definitely worth checking out. I have added the website link in the description below, so feel free to have a look and grab your favorites while the offers are still available. Which item from this haul was your favorite? Comment below and I might use your favorite in my next scrapbook video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more scrapbook tutorials, DIY ideas and craft inspiration. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.